Yung hummingbird, oh. Ayan, ayan, ayan yung hummingbird, oh. Come on, come closer. It's one of my most favorite species. Oh, look at that. Ang taas niya, oh. Dati, ang lapit niya sa akin. Lumapit talaga nung nakaupo ako sa bench. Doon. Lumapit talaga siya. Parang nag-show off. Ayun na siya. Alright. Nandito ako sa, Yerba Buena Garden. Coastal Redwood Grove. Hi, Sunday. I hope Sunday, God willing, that I would be able to go back and visit newer woods. That's one hella beautiful spot or place that I've been to when I was in my 20s. That was a long time ago. But I only been there once, but because it's really far, and the highway, the road that go all the way up the mountain is super treacherous and scary. A zigzag highway with high cliffs, but it's worth it once you get there. That place is something else. So this is the next best thing for me if I can go there yet, because those trees over there are similar to this, but more like bigger, very gigantic trees over there. So at least this is just walking distance. Did you see that dog came around me with his frisbee? I think there's gonna be a concert later on because they're setting up the band over there on center stage. I don't know what you call it, what occasion it is, but I just came from the Union Square and there's a huge crowd up there. Lots of stalls with different kind of dishes. But I think it's a Taiwanese celebration because I see a lot of sign that says Taiwanese. So I think it's for their culture, heritage over at Union Square. So many stall tent that sells different kind of delicious dishes and drinks, and they have lots of fun activities. So that's going on today. I don't know for how long today, but if you happen to come across it on your social media, go check it out. It looks fun, and the food amazingly it looks good, and the aroma is like intoxicating. I see a lot of squirrels over here every time I come here early in the morning. I just usually sat over there on one of those tables, have my my early breakfast, and then just feel the sun on my skin, and then I see all these squirrels coming up and down the trees, and then just roaming around here on the grass. I love that man-made waterfalls. Behind that waterfalls, there's a lot of pictures, uh, like storytelling about Martin Luther King. So see that lights behind the panels or the pillars where the water cascading down. That light that's speaking through on that side. That's one of the pictures, the stories about Martin Luther King Jr. And they put up this kind of statues all around, also on the other level at the back, and then here, over there, that's from Mexico City. So they're showcasing that colossal creatures in bloom. That's what they call it. It's like a hybrid. They put like two or three kind kind of creatures all together. They in like fusion. Yeah, this is Yerba Buena Garden down here at Fifth, no, 4th Street and Mission. Just this is Mission. Just one block up is the main street of San Francisco downtown, which is Market Street. So it's easy to come here through BART or Muni Underground or any buses here on the main street. So come and check it out. Have a nice day, guys. Take care and God bless. Oh, look, I'm wearing the shirt that I bought in Castro. It says California. I love it. It's so colorful. That's the one I'm talking about a while ago. The one behind the waterfalls. This is it. Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial and Fountain. So that's the fountain over there. Yep. All right. That dog is having a time of its life. Nice. And they have different restaurants, milk tea and other cuisine restaurants, different nationalities. And then our church here, St. Patrick Church, sorry. There. That's the church. Yep, beautiful church. Been there for like, I would say 300 years now, if I'm not mistaken. It's beautiful inside. And then Metreon, the AMC Theater, Target, and then some restaurants, and then the Marriott Marquis Hotel, which is really beautiful up there. Over there, that's the Marquis. Been there once only with my special friend that brought me there. It's beautiful view from up there. You can see the shoreline, the waterfront, the skyscraper, the Bay Bridge. So it's mesmerizing, the view there. And they have cocktails over there. Excuse that guy for his foul language. I didn't mean to put that on my video, but you can't control what's your surroundings, right? So just pardon that. That's our city college here in downtown. I went to school there. And the Bloomingdale's Mall, right there. Okay, I'm gonna go inside Target now. Alright, guys. Look at all of these gorgeous flowers. Look at the colors. So vivid. Wow. And there's more over there. I wish my mom is still alive. I love buying her flowers because she loves to garden. We both are. That's our common, hobby and one of our passion. Mom, happy Mother's Day in heaven. Favorite mo yan, mga flower.